Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we're talking about a brand new rideshare company that is launching to take over Uber and Lyft. Uber drivers, let me hear you in the back. Woo, 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 woo! We hate Uber, we want... Wait, do you guys really hate Uber that much? You want Uber to end? I don't know, I think Uber's pretty awesome. That's one of the reasons I do the channel here. But there is a new rideshare company that's launching, and we're going to talk about it today. They think that they're going to take over, so I don't know. Let's see. Now, before I get started, I want to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current is a new mobile banking app that is helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. As you can see here, all you got to do is sign up and make a quick deposit, and they're going to start paying you 4% interest. It's a savings account bank. It's a bank, okay? It's your money. you deposit your money in, and you get signed up, and you start earning money. And again, they pay you up to 2 days faster. You can start earning 4% APY, get cash back on your gas, and there's no fees on overdraft up to 200 bucks. If you go negative 200 bucks, they ain't gonna charge you, okay? Just sign up with my link below, and let's get started. So this company is called Crow. I don't know if you guys have heard about Crow, but this is the new rideshare company, and they're just getting started. As of a couple weeks ago, they just started popping up. I've seen them. I joined, and because I feel like I deserve to know. This is not sponsored at all. I talked to their team here, but we haven't worked out any deal or anything. Which, by the way, Crow, if you're watching this, hey, my DMs are open, bro. Always down to collaborate, connect. But yeah, listen to this. I said, what's up everyone? What is Crow? I just heard about you guys on YouTube. Actually, one of my commenters commented about Crow, so I was like, all right, let me check these guys out. Do you guys remember Vibe? Oh my gosh, I just remembered Vibe. Vibe Rides? Vibe Rides, like Vibe Rideshare was this like multi-level marketing company. I don't know, what is Vibe Rides? All you need to know. Team No Rest. Anyways, but yeah, there's a lot of rideshare companies that are popping up. I know there's like a few other ones. I know obviously Uber, we got Lyft. There was a few other ones in other markets. I don't think any of them really taken off, but let's see what happens with Crow. Hello, Dylan. We are a driver initiative founded by rideshare drivers to create better rideshare driver pay by launching a proprietary rideshare app platform that allows drivers to earn 85% earnings. What do you guys think about that? Creates fairness by charging riders a pickup fee for drivers, and allows drivers to view the drop-off point and estimate earnings before accepting the request. We have also eliminated surge metric, as we believe it isn't fair to riders, and the drivers should not have to compete for decent wages. So no surge on this one. Our goal is to create change in the industry. We are at the pre-launch phase. This is a multi-billion dollar industry. This is, if you're gonna create change, you gotta have millions and millions of funding. This is no joke, So these guys are serious when they mean business. Our goal is we are at the pre-launch phase, and we'll soon be launching in the state of New Jersey and New York, and eventually nationwide here in California. We encourage all drivers to unite with us in driving for a driver-founded and led platform instead of continuing to struggle in an industry that cares more about profits and shortchanging drivers. Thank you for joining Crow, and thank you for your question. If you'd like to know more about us or have any additional information, please let us know. Well, Crow, I'm gonna leave the video there. If Crow's watching this and they wanna jump in the comment section, feel free, or I would love to, how about this, Crow, if you're watching this, let's set up an interview for my channel, okay? I'll interview you guys. You come on the show, we can ask you about your plans, and yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one, everyone. Thanks for watching. Sign up for Current using my link in the description box. I'm going to show you guys really quickly how Current works. If you click on the link below, you can get paid up to 2 days faster. fee-free overdraft up to 200 bucks with overdraft. 40,000 free ATMs in the US. I always forget to mention that one. No minimum balance or hidden fees. You can sign up in 2 minutes. So use my link below. You can start earning some great income. Grow your savings 40 times faster. Yeah, 40 times bigger than the national average. Pretty awesome. I love Current. Please sign up down below. It's free to sign up. You're gonna start accumulating a lot of money just based on their savings interest. And you know, we should all have a good savings account. Let's all get our savings up to like $1,000 bucks, $2,000 bucks. You know, when you have more interest, it's easier to do that. You know your money is growing at a 4% per year in like rate. That's way better than the S&P 500's down this year. So your money in cash with Current, it's gonna be outperforming the S&P 500. So you can't beat that. So anyways, let me know your thoughts. Take care. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye now.